Hey everyone with the Hanging with Herky crew. Hey, this is a little bit different video than you're used to seeing. On our YouTube channel, we put videos out of travel and historic places and things like that. This is something a little different. So what I'm doing today is filming a short video for Crosley enthusiasts. So I belong to some Facebook pages where people are into Crosley automobiles, and they asked me if I would shoot a video. So those of you that normally tune in to watch me camping, this is something a little different, just a bonus. Hey everybody that likes Crosley automobiles, and they're just a great little car. A few weeks ago I posted that this car was for sale, and due to some circumstances out of our control, we had to get rid of it. This car was completely restored with a body off restoration by my father-in-law, who was a master mechanic and restored a lot of classic automobiles down through the years. Several of you on the Crosley Automobile Facebook page asked me to shoot a video and just kind of give a tour of the car before it left my possession. This car actually belongs to my son, and him and his grandfather did a lot of work restoring this down through the years, and went to all the Crosley meets and got all the parts and everything. So I hope you enjoy it. We're going to show you around a little bit. As you can see, this car is in excellent condition. My father-in-law was meticulous that everything be placed as it was original. The body is straight, painted very well. I'm not a restorer of automobiles myself, but it doesn't take a trained eye to realize that this is a quality car. Full body off restoration. All the pans have been done and are solid. Car's been painted. I really like this feature here of these little wings that come out and scoop the air. One of the things I'm going to do a close-up here and show you is that he was such a stickler for details that everything has been thought of. So you can see right here that even when this closes, he actually even has the gasket material, brand new gasket material, placed on the little fins that seal the door off. Isn't that amazing that even that detail has been thought of? I want to show you on the inside. There's another detail I find just really cool. This is the glove box inside the car, and you can see that he's even got the sticker here that kind of gives the details of the car, the tire pressure, much water, the crankcase, and tells you to change the oil every 2,000 miles. And there's even the owner's manual inside the glove box. The lining is inside here. It just looks really good. Even the little latches, they latch. So every little detail is thought of. If you look down here at the door panel, he's got all the door panels all done, and even in the bottom has all been painted, and it's just really in excellent condition. All the window slides have been done, the new felting and everything. The windows all work. The windows all slide in and out, and it's just really in good shape. Here's the door latches. They all have been replaced and taken care of. I just really can enjoy all the intricate details here. Here's the locks that are on the door and the handle, and all the weather stripping is all brand new. Here's inside, the the latches on the door, the seats all flip up, and of course the flooring has all been replaced and is done. Looks really good. I want to swing around the back and open up the back hatch because several people have asked me about the headliner, and I want to show you that. Okay, I'm going to try to get a good shot here of the headliner. As you can see, there was a lot of people on the Crosley page that asked me about the headliner and how it looks and how he did it. And this is it. It's the same material. It's like almost like a masonite pasteboard, maybe I don't want to say corrugated cardboard, but it looks similar to that. Let me walk around the front here. So you can see he's got a split joint here, and then a small one in the back. I'll try to move up here and get it a little bit closer, but you can see this is all the way around. It looks pretty good. It's in good shape. Let me bring it up front and get you a close-up. Camera's stable enough for you to see what this looks like on the inside here. But that's the headliner, how he's got it done. Do notice that I remember when he did this, he kind of steamed it a little bit, tried to get it to bend. Maybe a slight imperfection right here, but, and of course got the shades, and they all work. Windshield wiper, to turn the windshield wipers off and on, they actually work. Here's the steering wheel and the speedometer and all the gauges. They're all new and everything. He did put the Crosley heater in here, and it works also. So the gear shifter, I did have a couple questions. People asked me about this extension on the knob here. I'm not quite sure if that is original or if he actually put that on there just to make the thing reach out further, but not quite sure. The choke and the lights, and here's the heat control. That's all there. The car does not have a radio on it, but yeah. I do have turn signals wired in here. I'm not sure if that's something that was original or if it's been put on there afterwards, if my father-in-law did that, but they do work. He has turn signals, and here's the switch. I noticed that some people had put a switch on the column. He just has the switch here, so that might be something. I don't know if it's original or not, but just wanted to point that out. If you look down here on the floor, here's the actuator for the emergency brake, and then if you pull up this little thing right here, there is the master cylinder right there for the brakes. So this car does have fluid brakes. It doesn't have the cable brakes on there. It's got fluid, but you can access the master cylinder right here from the floor. There's a cap that goes down there, and yeah, looks pretty good. The seats have all been reupholstered, and the workings in them work really good. You can open and close them and flip them up. Works pretty good. And just like the other side, the door panels have all been redone, and everything. It's in really good shape here. Currently, we are having a little electric issue getting spark to the engine, so I haven't been able to get it started here today. But I am working on that. And also, I have a little issue with a gas line. So while I'm working on it, I just made a temporary gas tank here while we get the proper gas line. But the engine does run, and it's been in good shape. I'm going to show you here in a minute that this is an iron engine, not a, I think they call them a 10 engine. So The engine's good. It's been all gone through and in good shape, and tried to place back as original as possible. So let me show you some close-ups of that. So I hope you really enjoyed the walk-around tour I gave of the Crosley that my father-in-law rebuilt. His name was Louis Drinen. He spent his whole life in Herculaneum, Missouri. He was a lover of Crosley automobiles and just restoring all different types of automobiles. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you know, I hope I honored him in a good way here and showed you his car he's done. Unfortunately, we've had to sell it, and the automobile is sold, but you know, the good thing is his legacy lives on because it gets to pass it on and somebody else enjoys it. So, hey, glad you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.